What is going on, guys? So right now, let's check it out. It is raining. It's raining, and this is the first time I'm gonna see the car, and we're gonna check it out and see how it is. All right, so here's the rain so far. All right, so it's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. All right, guys, so a quick check-in with the car right now. It's raining. Finally, it's raining. Never been so glad that's raining, right? But here it is, the first look, for me anyway, of the car after the P&S Legend ceramic coating has been applied. It's been probably around 2 weeks or so. And here it is. Here's the bead action right there on this kind of like a flatter area of the hatch. Beading action. Let's take a look at the roof right here. And it's basically just bouncing right off. A little dirt collected over time because we don't drive it as much right now. The plates aren't even here yet. So here it is. David from Pro Detailing Club has ceramic coated basically everything he stated. So all the windows, the mirrors. It's raining pretty hard, so I'm not gonna go ahead and stand outside to give you guys a more thorough look, but here it is. All right. And basically see the dirt, all the dirt collected here. It's clumping with the rain. And I'm gonna try to, it's like collecting within the dirt, and it's kind of just like rolling off the car. It's pretty amazing. So there you go, first-hand experience of what ceramic coating is, or how it looks without having to wash it, without having to take care of it. And I want to go ahead and just get a closer look at the top, and then from here, that's it. There's just a quick check-in, for sure. There's like a two week after the prep. It's been cured already. It's dried, and again, based on David's words, bulletproof. But we'll see. It's going to be out in the elements. So the 5 years, I'm not quite sure if 5 years is going to be how long it's going to last. But here it is.